Oh guys, we are here at the Sushi San. Sushi San. Sushi San. And it's actually located here in Stavanger Centrum. Just right side this lake. A beautiful lake. And right next to the train station. And with me is our Kung Fu Panda. This is cozy. This is cozy place to eat. And look at this Stavanger city, Stavanger lake. It's the landmark. So let's eat, guys. We have this soup. Ano ba to? Soup. Chicken ba to? Wow! Udon ba? It's udon. It's mukbang. Sarap, guys.
Ano ko yan? Kung ano yan?
Oh, by the way, guys, it's Ezra's treat.
Despedida.
Despedida. Congratulations to your and good luck to your new Andy Paul. How did you discover this place?
Through BJ.
Sarap, guys. So if you're looking for a hot soup, Asian fusion, look for this Sushi San.
Sushi San.
This is the literal mukbang. Noodles and sushi. Sushi. It's affordable, guys. Kasi libre. Look at this, guys. Kung nakikita. Yan. Bang sarap.
I hope you enjoying your meals
Hi,
so far.
yes.
Yes, clearly.
Enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. And I'm vlogging it. Is it okay?
Just go on. I'm not saying it's not allowed to vlog in here.
This is delicious, guys. And it's perfect. Especially it's cold here in Norway. So, see? I'm gonna remove my jacket because it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. There you go. Ang dami nito. Ubus kaya to? We should consume this habang mainit, di ba?
Yes.
Grabe.
Water mo man.
Thank you. It's beef udon. Yeah, beef udon, no?
Yup.
Grabe. I'm enjoying, guys. It's Masarap siya. And look at this. Their noodles, oh my god, it's really big. it's really big. It's mataba. Sushi kayo dyan. Okay, sir. How much is one bowl?
167?
It's worth it. Kasi talagang mabubusog ka. Sobrang dami. Kaya kung nagtitipid kayo, umanap ka naman libre sa inyo. Tsaka huwag niyong planuhin kasi pag pinaplano niyo.
Oo, tsaka matagal na kasi kami hindi nagkita ni Manong.
1 year na, no?
Umulan. Ang galing mag-chopsticks ni Manong.
It tastes really good. And ang dami, grabe. Mukbang. Ayun nga guys, sobrang dami, hindi ko mauubos. So,
Busog na si Manong.
busog na ako. Tsaka, ang laki oh.
Oo, kita mo, nadagdagan yung bilog ni Manong. Naging kasing bilog nung udon.
Ayan guys, so I think this is good for 2. Pero syempre, mas okay kung susuluhin mo siya. Diba? Sobrang dami guys. So if you are a fan of soup, come here and try this. It's highly recommended. So, I am but a fool. I am but a fool. So talagang ano guys, maraming sabaw, maraming laman. Iwanan ko yung sabaw sa inyo. Yun. Sushi. There you are guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and again, this is located here in the heart of Stavanger. We're looking for this soup, hot soup, especially during winter. They have different menu. You can.
They have different items in their menu.
They have different items in their menu. They have sushi, they have soup, they have rice, they have main course.
They have lumpia.
They have lumpia too. So yeah, but if you're looking for a perfect lumpia, just call Manong Baro and I will make some for you. Don't tell anyone. The place is quite small, but it can cater up to 30 people. Yeah? 30 people. And yeah, it's clean and cozy. What else? It's clean and cozy, and it's beautifully interior. They have this recycled thing. It's made of wood and popsicle sticks. And look, this is made of paper and made of popsicle stick. Look, what a good idea. What a very creative idea. And look at this, guys. It's dried meat. It's I think this is mousse. Mousse. Yeah. And this is their other items in their menu. Sushi San. So this is the place, and this is Esther. And looking around, it's Stavanger Central. See, it's beautifully interior. The food was great, and this is Sushi San. So here's the owner.
I'm not the owner, I'm just the
Okay, so guys, if you're looking for this Asian food, then this is the perfect place. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you. So Ezra, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga new content. This is your Manong Baro, and thank you for watching. Bye!